Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 18.04 into VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to open VirtualBox and create the new system. Name it as Ubuntu. Select the file or the location of your system. This is the location where your actual virtual hard drive is gonna save. So select the location and then provide the RAM. I'm going to give here like 4 GB. Next, create a virtual hard disk now. Create. Select the virtual hard disk. Continue and continue and select the hard drive size. I'm giving here like 60 gigs. Great. So now here you can see our system is ready. We need to provide this location of the ISO file when it starts. So click on the start button and provide the ISO image. You need to create one new disk and here open and click the start button. Okay, so here you need to click like install Ubuntu, not the try Ubuntu. Click on the install Ubuntu and then you can select the keyboard layout, and if you want to test here you can test by typing anything. Hit the continue button. Now if you want the installation normal, like it will include all the software in default softwares and games and media players, then you can select the normal installation. If you want just a web browser and the basic utilities, you can select the minimal installation. So I am going to here like select normal installation, and if you can uncheck this one like download updates while installing Ubuntu, it will take little bit more time because it will try to get the update from the internet and then install the latest updates while Ubuntu is installing. So I'm just uncheck this one and hit continue button. Okay, so this one is the like it is asking you to erase the disk and install the Ubuntu or something else. Like if you want to do some partitioning, like give the one partition like 40 gigs and another is like 20 gigs. I will select the erase disk and install Ubuntu because it's a virtual machine, so it doesn't do anything, like it doesn't harm your computer. So select the erase disk and install Ubuntu and click the install now. Continue and it will show you the location, and you can choose the location whatever whichever you want. Hit the continue, then name the your PC. So I'm going to write here like just a student and provide the password. Hit the continue button and it will install Ubuntu, and it will take a little bit more time, like 3 to 4 minutes, max 5 minutes. Okay, so once the installation is complete, it will show you this kind of message that installation is complete and you need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So restart your click the restart button and press the enter. When it shows you like please remove the installation medium and then press enter, at that time you need to just hit the enter button. And here it is. So completely installed Ubuntu 1804. If you want to change the size of the window, you can go into the setting and change the display size. Here you can search it like display, and you can choose the display resolution that you want. So this is how you change the display. Okay, so thank you for watching, and in my next video I will show you how to create users and how to remove users, create some directories, files, and deleting some directories and files, everything like through the command prompt. Thank you for